Here we are taking a question, if A equals to this matrix, find xy so that A square is equal to x into A plus y into I. So first we need to find out A square. A square means A into A, so we need to multiply these two matrices. Now I told you we need to multiply row with column. So here first row is multiplied with your first column. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3 times 1 is 3. Now first row is multiplied with your second column, then I will get this. So first row is multiplied with second column, so 2 times 3 is 6 plus 3 times 2 is 6. Now your second row is multiplied with your first column, so 1 times 2 is 2 plus 2 times 1 is 2. So I will get here 2 plus 2. Now your second row is multiplied with second column. So 1 times 3 is 3 plus 2 times 2 is 4. So adding this, 4 plus 3 is 7, 6 plus 6 is 12, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 3 plus 4 is 7. Now I need to calculate XA. XA means x multiplied with A. So when I am multiplying x with A, so I will get 2x, 3x, x and 2x. So 2x, 3x, x and 2x. Now I need to multiply y with I. We know that I is a identity matrix, so it will be 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So y is multiplied here. So y multiplied with 1 is y multiplied with 0 is 0. So y 0, 0, y. Now here it is given that a square is equal to xa plus yi. So this is your a square equals to x. This is your xa plus this is your yi. Now here 7 equals to 2x plus y. This is your equation 1. Now 12 equals to 3x plus 0. So 3x plus 0 is 12. So from here I can get 3x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 4. Now if x is 4, I am substituting x equals to 4 in this. So 2 times 4 plus y is equal to 7. Now 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus y equals to 7. 8 subtracts there. So I will get y equals to 1. So this is our required answer. We have the question here, let M is a matrix here, M into this matrix equals to this. First thing we need to find the order of M and then we need to find what is matrix M. So we know that the rule of multiplication of matrices, A matrix is multiplied with B and we are getting C. A is of the order M into N, then B will be of order N into P. Your number of column here will be equal to number of rows here. Now whatever the matrix we are getting as a result, that will be of order M into P. So the order of C is M into P. Now here M is multiplied with the order of 2 into 2 and we are getting as a result 1 into 2. So you can see here, if you compare, P is 2, M is 1, N is your 2, okay, P is 2 we have seen. Now the order of M is, first matrix order is M into N. So M is your 1 and N is your 2. So order of M will be 1 into 2. So if it is the order of 1 into 2, I can take 1 row 2 columns. So let I am taking a matrix M, that is A, B. Elements are A, B. Now matrix M, A, B is multiplied with this matrix and we are getting this. Now here we need to multiply row with column. So this row is multiplied with first column. So here A times 1 is A plus B times 0 is 0. Now this row is multiplied with second column. So here A times 1 is A plus 2 times B is 2B. Okay. So A plus 2B. So here A plus 0 is equal to 1 and A plus 2B is equal to 2. So A plus 0 is 1 means A is 1 and A plus 2B is 2. So substituting A equals to 1 here, I will get 1 plus 2B is equal to 2. Now 1 is subtracted on the other side, so 2B equals to 1. So B equals to 1 by 2. So our matrix was of AB. A value is 1 and B is 1 by 2. So required matrices elements are 1 and 1 by 2.